Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Windows 11 drivers. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search driver booster and press enter. Select the first site. Select the free download option and it will start downloading guys. After the download done, click on it and start the installation. After the install done, open the driver booster software. This is totally free to use guys as it shows. And now you will get a scan page in the main menu. Select the scan option. This will scan for all driver updates for you. And as you can see here, some driver updates are listed. I already did it for lots of drivers. And right now I got three driver update. Select the update now option and select OK. And this will update the drivers, guys. And after all updates done, as you can see, everything is up to date right now. And now just to close stuff here and restart your PC guys. Select this option and restart your PC. And that's how you can update Windows 11 drivers. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.